Hi, hello, Honeybee again. Today I'm going to make two different hair accessories in ancient Chinese style. First one, I will use the string plastic for made flower. Is this string plastic material? I made a mistake in here. I should make a flower pattern mold and then cut it out. Should not to use the black pen, draw in the string plastic directly, or I can use the white pen, draw in the string plastic, instead use the black pen. And then I use the soft pastel coloring the flower petal, and then use the scissors for scratching the flower petal to make the wing. You don't have to, but looks a little bit better. And then use the pick and blow on the petal. Continue string the flower petal until it can't string anymore. And then use the iron ball stick press into the shape you like. Oh, don't forget, blow on the top side, shiny side. Underside is a fluffy, and you can draw and coloring on this side. And I use the purple color ribbon to cover the clip to camouflage it. I should make it a flower petal individual instead of whole piece, and then you can place the flower petal in any way you like. But it is my first time use the string plastic to make it an experiment, so it's not perfect. If you have any good idea, and you are welcome to give me your opinion.